So, have you ever thought about making serious money without spending every waking hour working?
Oh, you mean like passive income?
Exactly. But not just any passive income. Imagine setting something up in just 2 hours and then
2
earning up to
hours?
$5,000 a week.
Wait, that sounds too good to be true. What's the catch?
That's what I thought at first. But I came across this thing called Auto Affiliate AI. It's an affiliate marketing system that practically runs on autopilot.
Auto affiliate AI? I've heard of affiliate marketing, but isn't that complicated?
Usually, yeah. But with this system, you don't need any experience. No sales funnels, no spending on ads, none of that technical stuff. It's designed to
Really?
be 100% beginner friendly.
Okay, but how is that even possible? There must be some learning curve.
Honestly, it's plug and play. You get step-by-step instructions and you can have everything set up in just 2 hours.
Wow,
Once it's live, it runs for you, even while you're sleeping or binge watching Netflix.
that's insane. But what's the investment? Programs like this usually cost a fortune.
Get this. It's a one-time payment of just $17.
No way.
Yeah, less than the cost of a large pizza.
You're kidding me. That's it? No monthly fees or hidden charges?
Nope, nothing. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't see results, you get every penny back.
That does sound risk-free. But do you know anyone who's actually made money with it?
Yeah, there's this guy, Mark. He was just like us, tired of the 9 to 5 grind. He set it up in 2 hours, and within 2 weeks, he was making $5,000 a week.
That's unbelievable. But why isn't everyone doing this if it's so easy?
I think a lot of people are skeptical or don't believe it's that simple. But those who take the leap are seeing amazing results.
I guess sometimes we overcomplicate things. Maybe this is worth a shot.
Exactly. Plus, the affiliate marketing industry is booming right now. With AI and automation, there's never been a better time to get in.
So what do I actually have to do? Just pay $17 and follow some instructions?
That's it. You sign up, follow the step-by-step guide, and in 2 hours, your system is live.
Wow.
Then you let it run on autopilot.
And what about support? If I get stuck, is there help available?
Definitely. They provide resources to help you out. And remember, with the 60-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose.
You know, for $7 and a couple of hours of my time, it might be worth trying.
That's what I thought. It's a small investment for potentially huge returns.
Yeah,
Imagine replacing financial stress with a system that works for you.
it does sound appealing. But I'm curious, what makes Auto Affiliate AI different from other programs?
Great question. Most programs require you to build sales funnels, learn complicated software, or spend money on ads. Auto
Right.
Affiliate AI removes all that. It's streamlined and easy to use. Exactly. Just the one-time payment, and they throw in bonuses like guaranteed affiliate approval and commission boosts.
Commission boosts? So you earn even more right from the start?
Yep. And they even have an emergency cash formula for when you need quick cash.
That's really comprehensive, but do you think it can actually replace a full-time income?
Well, if people like Mark are making $5,000 a week, it's definitely possible.
True.
It depends on how you leverage the system.
You've got me interested. Maybe it's time to take that leap of faith.
I think so. Sometimes the best opportunities are the ones we almost overlook.
You're right. For $17 and a 60-day guarantee, what's there to lose?
Exactly. Can't wait to hear about your success story.
Thanks for sharing this. I'm gonna check it out.
Awesome.
Let's see where this takes us.